Bro, Loni, lilipat na kami ng pamilya next month pero ang dami kong iniisip. Saan ako magsisimula? Don't worry bro, I got you. Here's a 7-step relocation plan to make your move seamless and stress-free. Step 1, gather info. Research your new city, housing cost, schools, commute, weather, at siyempre community vibes. Pro tip, join local Facebook groups para may idea ka agad sa lifestyle at recommendations. Step 2, identify your ideal neighborhoods. List your family's priorities. Yung budget, proximity to work, school, church, parks, safety, etc. Kung di ka sigurado, consult a local realtor like me for free neighborhood tours and insights. Step 3, find your new home and sell the old one. Have a list of needs and wants. Then prioritize. Kung may bahay ka na ngayon, sabayan na natin ang selling and buying timeline para smooth ang transition. Step 4, prepare for departure. Start packing early. Label boxes. May system ka dapat. Take, donate, sell, trash. Kung may kids, explain the move positively, saying goodbye to friends and familiar places. Step 5, prepare for arrival. Arrange your utilities. Electricity, water, internet ahead of time. Pack an essentials box with toiletries, clothes, chargers, snacks, and even pet food for day 1. Bonus tip, if you're remodeling, do it before moving in kung pwede. Step 6, get settled. Unpack with a system. Simulan sa kids' rooms and daily essentials. Let pets adjust sa bagong space. List down what needs repairs or upgrades. Step 7, get involved in the community. Explore. Go for walks, check the parks, support local shops, and meet your neighbors. Join a class, ang church group or volunteer para mas madali kang makahanap ng new friends. Ang organized. Dati akala ko relocation equals chaos. Pero ngayon, excited na kami. That's the goal, bro. Kaya kung gusto mo ng stress-free move, let's talk. I've helped many families do it right. Magre-relocate ba kayo to or from Vegas? Message Merloni Pedrosa today for VIP relocation help from neighborhood match to movers to home search.